Welcome students. Today we are going to start first class of Python for the session 2020-21. In Python revision tour, we will start with the topic strings data structure. A string in Python is a collection of one or more sequential alphanumeric characters. A string should be enclosed in a single or double quotes. For example, in a variable x, we have stored some string named Python. It is given in the single quote. Or we also can give a string in variable with double quotes. Nature of string. String in Python is immutable in its nature. That is, we cannot make any change in the given string, but we can replace the whole string by storing another string in the same variable. Example, in a variable x, Python is stored, and the index value of Python here in P is 0, Y is at index 1, T is at 2, 3, 4 and so on. So now here we are trying to replace the value of fourth index, which is O. The element O is at the fourth index, and we want to replace this with the element D. This will not be done. After the execution, the type error will be string object does not support item assignment. That means we cannot change the element in the string. So here we can see that how we can change the whole string. Here we have given Python in x variable, and if we print x, Python comes. And now we have assigned here in x computer. So now if we print x, the computer is printed. Means we can change the whole string but not the single element. Nor we can replace the element, or nor we can delete. Here we are trying to delete. Delete x is a variable, and in this variable, the string Python, we want to delete the index value of 1, which is index value of P is 0 and the index value of 1 is Y. So we are trying to remove Y from the string, which is not possible. The same type error will come that string object does not support item deletion. How to create a string in Python? Strings can be created by enclosing characters inside a single quote or double quotes. Even triple quotes can be used in Python, but generally triple quotes are used to represent multi-line strings and doc strings. We can see here we have given single quote, and here same string with the double quotes, and here we can give triple quotes as well, but it's generally given when the string is too big. That means in multi-line, more than one lines, then we use triple quotes, or when we are giving the documentation of our program, that time we are using triple quotes. Strings are stored as individual character in contiguous location. Means the memory address on the memory location will be in a continuation. P, Y, T, H, O, N, this way. It is indexed in two ways. A string can be indexed in two ways, that is forward and backward. So the index value of P is 0, Y is 1, T at 2, H at 3, O at 4, N at 5. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in forward direction, and in backward indexing it starts with the last element with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. How to reverse a string? A string can be reversed with the following command. So here we have given a string. Python is a high level language in the variable y, and now we want to print this string in a reverse order. So we'll give command print in the parenthesis variable name y, and in the square bracket double colon -1 close square bracket and parenthesis. This is the syntax. And now you have already seen that backward indexing is started with -1. So this E will be at -1, -2, -3 and so on. So this will print the string in a reverse order. Empty string. Empty string can be created with simply storing no value in the variable. As here we have given blank single quote and double quote. So after creating an empty string, we can check the type of it. So here X, there is no value, single quote or double quote, print X. So here you can see that nothing is printed. Now we can check the type. Type function is used, type and the name of the variable, and you can see this is the string type. We will close here for the day and continue in the next class. Thank you.